My name is Burak. I'm going to show you today one of the very special, my creative idea. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe us and turn all notifications on. Which is the pasta sauce, tomato based, with all minced meat and wine and so many ingredients goes with that. So I'm going to show it just quickly. Pasta, like any pasta you like, it's about your favorite. Walnut, cheese, crushed tomatoes, minced meat, chicken stock and some herbs, which is a dry basil leaf, nutmeg, coriander seeds, oregano, all up to you this side because it's a lot of things inside of it. So important thing is we are going to use honey, red wine. So I'm going to show you the combination of this and let's get started. Kangaroo stays here, doesn't go into the food. Boiling water, salt is already in that. I'm not adding any oil. Never ever put oil in that. When you put the oil in the boiling water, maybe you avoid the sticking all pastas together, but at the same time, when you make the sauce doesn't really cover the pasta, so it just falls from the pasta. So you better not put oil in that. As I told you, salt is already in, so no need to put it in. Don't add more salt. It's gonna boil in 2 minutes. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this boiling pasta into my kitchen and it's gonna be cooked there. By the way, we're gonna make the sauce and I'm gonna try to save time and finish the video very quickly. So we are going to the kitchen now. Time to make great pasta sauce. It was very popular when I had a restaurant in Melbourne City for 4.5 years. I made it all the time. People loved it. So you're gonna learn how to make it. Olive oil, as usual, goes in. This is a beef mince. This is what I usually like. I'm gonna add that one here. Let's send it in. And try to break it up quickly because we are gonna cook it. It's gonna take time. A bit more oil. By the way, I'm gonna cut my onion here. I believe that's enough. Cut a bit more. Yeah, it's gonna be more than enough. Onion goes in. And garlic, crushed garlics. That's really little ones. So I'm gonna chop it up here quickly. Just by the way, we have to watch the mixture of minced meat and onion. Beautiful smell. The minced meat is gonna give the water out. Beautiful. Garlic goes in. And keep cooking it. I haven't put any spices or seasoning. Great. Very soon I'm gonna add tomatoes, crushed tomatoes and other ingredients. If you find bigger chunks of the minced meat inside, just try to break it up. Look at this. Great. Crushed tomato goes in. If sauce goes too dry, you can add chicken stock or beef stock, all up to you. I have chicken stock, so I'm gonna use chicken stock for today. Sauce looking good. Now, time to start adding other ingredients. A little bit red wine. Beautiful. It's a Cabernet Merlot. Yep, this is the right one. We're gonna add honey. If you are using olive oil, usually people add sugars in that, but I'm using honey, much more healthier and tastier. A little bit parsley, basil leaves, dry basil leaves, fennel seeds, coriander seeds ground. This is really good combination. You should definitely try that. I tried it like 100 different sauces, and this is the method you should use when you are making sauce. And nutmeg. Very last thing, salt and pepper. Himalayan salt and cracked pepper. I'm gonna drop the heat to the lower level. Salt and pepper. Himalayan salt and black peppercorns and walnuts. It's gonna give very, very special taste and different color to the sauce. You can keep as it is, or alternatively you can a little bit chop it up. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut it smaller piece. All up to you. You don't have to do that, but you know. Send into the sauce. This is a tomato-based sauce, but not it's all tomato. It's not like a bolognese sauce or Napoli sauce. A little bit more chicken stock. All up to you, but this is what I found out. It's pretty good. Look at this sauce. It's beautiful. Walnuts, mincemeat, tomato-based. My creative experience is giving a very special sauce with the tomato base. Even the smell is just telling me something is exceptional. With this method, you are going to impress your friends all the time. So, which is great. Easy to make it, doesn't really take a long time. So now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to drop the heat slightly lower again. Now I'm going to go back to the kitchen and get the pasta, which is al dente point cooked. Won't take long. Yes, pasta is ready. Sauce is ready, as you see. Beautiful. Okay, we are transferring the pasta into the sauce. As you see, it's ready to go. Woohoo! Beautiful. You can use any pasta you like, but the sauce should be exactly like that. You're gonna mix it all together. It's very meaty pasta sauce. Look at this steamy, beautiful pasta with walnuts, red wine, honey, mincemeat. As you see, last shakes, and then it's going to the serving plate. What I'm gonna do now, cheese, on top of it, Parmesan cheese. Pasta with my special tomato-based mincemeat, walnut, red wine sauce. Enjoy it. Thank you.